Hi, my name is Faith Sauber and I'm from the University of Central Florida. First, let me show a brief overview of the entire poster. Today, I will be talking about the link between perception and action and how an examination of current conflicting theories can help us better understand this link. Perception is the ability to recognize and interpret sensory stimuli, and action is our response to that stimuli. Perception and action have often been studied as separate phenomena. However, there is a growing understanding that perception and action are coupled together, and this connection can be thought of as a feedback loop, where perception informs action and vice versa. For this relationship to occur, calibration or correctional readjustment is necessary to keep both perception and action accurate when we experience various physical activity and perceptual information. So when there is distorted perceptual information or different actions being performed, calibration is what helps adjust to these circumstances in order for a more precise response to occur. A number of candidate theories have been proposed to explain the mechanism behind this calibration, including action-specific, limb-specific, and task-specific perception. However, to date, these competing theories have not been examined together. So by analyzing the conflicting theories in concurrence with one another, we can examine the relative weight and status of empirical evidence for each theory. As mentioned, the three main theories focused in this research is action-specific perception, where perception is calibrated in response to action, limb-specific perception, where actions are calibrated as a reaction to perceptual feedback, and task-specific perception, where calibration occurs at some point between the coupling of perception and action. To examine these three studies, we started off by analyzing journal articles using the following factors: where the journal article was published, the theory, the number of participants, the task, the judgment, action, or limb category, whether the theory was confirmed, journal impact factor, the current and 5-year, article citation count, and keywords. Then the articles were grouped by which theory it focused on. And then a one-way analysis of variance was done, comparing categories based on the factors listed above. The results showed that compared to articles with no calibration strategy, the action-specific theory has a significantly higher mean participant number, citation count, and current impact factor. Additionally, action-specific, task-specific, and other theories of perception-action calibration are statistically equivalent across all factors. And in terms of recency, articles are trending towards a no calibration study of perception-action calibration. Here is a table showing those results. As you can see, compared to no calibration, the action-specific theory is higher in almost every category except for average year. This shows the recent interest or trend of articles focused on a no calibration study. Additionally, these are word clouds of keywords for each theory. This is a great visualization of the similarities and differences between each theory and the types of keywords used for each theory. In conclusion, the current analysis of the three main studies regarding the calibration of perception-action coupling found that the theories are statistically equivalent. However, compared to the no calibration theory, the action-specific theory has the highest statistical weight, and there is a recent interest in studies regarding the no calibration theory. Here is a small example of the 80+ journal articles used for this research. And in conclusion, I would just like to acknowledge Dr. Amen, Dr. Kiter, and Dr. McConnell for their help and guidance through this project. I cannot thank them enough for their support. Here is a final overview of the entire poster. Thank you very much.